Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Daewoo 6 litre air fryer. Okay, so of course this just came now. What we're gonna do is first we're gonna take out the actual air fryer, and then we're gonna give you a more detailed description of features that come with this air fryer and what to look out for if you're interested in purchasing it. This is the box that it comes in. This air fryer was specifically obviously made with the specifications of 6 liters. Of course, you can get different measurements for different type of air fryers, but obviously this one right here is 6 liters. Comes with a little thank you loyalty method, obviously the type of £50 wine voucher, which I'm 100% sure will be put to very good use somewhere. So it comes with a manual as well. Obviously that's going to be some basics which I'm gonna run you through anyways. Comes with some styrofoam, of course, to protect the actual thing. But if we were to just lift, and there you go. So first things first, of course, let's just, I'm guessing this is the grill that goes underneath the air fryer. But anyways, the air fryer itself, I'm gonna just take it out, put it on the table, and then provide you some features of the product. Okay, right, so the air fryer itself is very compact looking. Of course, it's like other air fryers we've seen. It's not exactly some new unique design or whatnot. However, the features that have been highlighted here are that it is produced to be more efficient and safe than the previous versions, where it has non-slip feet and the auto shut off function, which means that when your cooking is complete, this prevents overcooking and ensures that your food does not turn out burnt, and overall safety, of course. This makes it more safe and a hassle-free way to cook. So that's obviously two features there for more safety of the actual product, which just goes to show that this is already providing its benefits and why you should be more interested in maybe looking into one of these. However, not only that, it's also easy to use, and it has a digital display with a preset function. This makes it easy to set the cooking time and temperatures for popular dishes. Therefore, you can save time and effort in the kitchen and ensure that you have perfectly cooked meals every time. Right, so this will have things like how to cook chips, and it will have the specifications ready, the time that it should take, and the level of heating. That will be for things like poultry. It will be for like fish, chips, frozen foods, defrosting. There will be various different little previously installed functions that you can utilize to make dishes without having to figure it out too thoroughly. Right, so not only that, obviously the air fryer, one of the main benefits which has attracted a lot of people towards it is that it is obviously advertised as healthier. It's a healthier method of frying. Obviously not in the sense where oil is used, but in this case air. So you're basically getting the same result as what you would with oil, and it is much more healthier because of course oil is not exactly too good for you in a frying method, let's just say. So this air fryer uses rapid air circulation technology, and it cooks your food evenly. The high-speed air circulation ensures that you have a crispy exterior while locking in moisture, and this eliminates any need of oil, and it helps you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Let's say if you like having oily foods, or let's say fried foods, but you don't obviously want to use oil. So now you can just boom, air fryer. It's a really nice way if you're planning to cut back and maybe go more of a diet, maybe restrict yourself of oils and whatnot, because of course there are some moments in life where you do need to do things like that. Right, so because the rapid air circulation that we literally just talked about a couple seconds ago, this allows your food to quickly cook and also very evenly in, of course, the whole entirety of the 6 liter capacity of the actual product. So this air fryer can cook, grill, and bake a variety of dishes, and this will result in most of the time, of course, and this is said by the company themselves, that it's going to result in delicious meals every time. Obviously, that obviously cannot just be placed on the head of just the air fryer, otherwise that's not really fair in a sense. Of course, there are lots of external factors to whether your meals will turn out delicious or not, and it's not exactly entirely up to the poor air fryer to decide on whether your meal is going to turn out delicious or not. So this is probably one of the more like useful, let's just say, benefits. It's cost effective and it's long lasting. This air fryer is actually 73% cheaper to most conventional ovens on the market today, and it has a very decent durability, and of course it's providing you with this healthy alternative. There's a lot of benefits to it. A quick little view of the interior so it shows that it comes with a grease-proof inside stainless like containment. So obviously, one thing is, whatever you do not attempt to put oil or whatnot inside. The air fryer does not need oil. The whole point of air fryer is not to need oil. The best thing to do is put a bit of foil or maybe some grease-proof paper or something, and then you can just place whatever it is that you're cooking on top, and then you just like that, it goes in, and then there's obviously a whole digital surface over there, and then you pick whatever. Maybe you want to do meat, you want to do chips, you want to do, what else is there over there that I can just see? There is pizza, tomato for some odd reason. That looks like a tennis ball, but yeah, there's a lot of variations, and of course, yeah.